That's where you're supposed to go potty, Billy. Yep. Lots of hay. It's really good for you. That's a good boy. Gonna come out? Alrighty. No? You don't know if you can trust me yet, huh? Okay. Well, it's tough to let you out when the kids are around, you know. Because I never really know what they're gonna do to you. Anyway, see you later, Billy. I'll let you have some time by yourself. I gotta go take care of Carly. See you later.